Hello, my name is Bryce. Today I'll be presenting you my rewriting. In this report, I will be rewriting the query code for MongoDB into Python from Go and expanding on the core concepts contained before within the chapter. Data pillaging is the act of stealing data from an individual or corporation for whatever needs you may have for it. The most common use of this is simply ransoming it back to the people you stole it from, which can get an average around $570,000, according to my research. MongoDB is a database program that creates non-SQL databases for storing information. A NoSQL database provides mechanisms for storing data that isn't SQL. It's pretty much in the name. There are 4 different ways it can do this. Document databases store information as a text file, which can then be reinterpreted into other formats. Key value one stores data into collections, which are then identified with unique keys for easy retrieval. Wide column databases operate a lot like SQL databases by putting everything into a massive 2-dimensional array, but they don't require that each and every row look like the one above it. You can make them as long or short or as few values as you need. And graph databases connect different data points through relationships between them, oftentimes find patterns. All right, so this is the plan I came up initially for making my code. I established the first 3 things it had to do. It had to establish the connection to the database, access the information contained within the collection called transaction, and print out all that information within the collection. And I ran into 2 interesting unexpected problems. I had to actually install PyMongo onto Windows, which was more difficult than you'd think it'd be. And I had to also create a Mongo database for testing on Windows. Interesting, as they were designed to work with Linux first. Here's the code in question. And here is the result I got from when I ran it. These are my references, and if you want me to send a question, well, just send it to dragonfiresteel@gmail.com. All right, well, thank you for this great opportunity. Goodbye.